everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a Beauty Bay makeup haul for you. I did do a Beauty Bay hair care haul as well. That is on my channel, so I will link that below. And this is just the makeup segment to that haul, so I'm very excited. Obviously on this channel, I love all things beauty, makeup, hair, anything girly is just absolutely my favourite thing in the world. What I've been doing is testing eyeshadow palettes and makeup out on my channel, and I've been loving it so much. I absolutely adore my YouTube channel. Even though it's tiny, it just means the world to me, and it has done since I've been 16, so I absolutely adore it. I know a lot of people in the beauty YouTube community do share their beauty hauls, and obviously I've been doing that anyway, but I thought I'd just do this one as well because it has some quite interesting things in. I'm very excited. I wouldn't buy them unless I really wanted them myself. I never buy anything specifically for YouTube unless I actually really want it. In this haul I've got a few things that I've wanted for a very long time. One of them was actually a present from one of my friends, this pink one here. I will show you that one as well, but it did come from Beauty Bay. I think we'll just get straight into the makeup haul now. I've got different kind of brands in here, so I've got some Jeffree Star products, I've got some Beauty Bay own products, and I've got some Spectrum collection products, which is so exciting. I'm so excited. The first one I'll pick out the box is from Spectrum Collections. This is Spectrum brushes. It's the Millennial 8-piece eye blending set, and I'm so excited to have this. I have got a couple of the other brushes as well, which I got in a Spectrum mystery box, but I'm so excited to have these. These are going to be my primary video testing eyeshadow brushes, so I'm very excited. On the back, it just shows you the different brushes you've got in there, and again, this is the ultimate eyeshadow brush set. I'm so excited, and the colours of them are so sweet as well. I will just get them out actually for you to see in case you're looking for a brush set yourself. This is what the brushes look like outside of the box. Really cute. And I'm going to pop these in a little makeup brush holder next to my filming set in a little pink trolley, just so that I can grab them during filming and just enjoy them really. I'm very excited. Spectrum collection brushes, actually they did send me the Glam Clam. Oh my goodness, that was a highlight of my YouTube-ness. When Spectrum Collections actually sent me their Glam Clam, that was a dream come true. That's so cute. They're up there actually. It's on my filming shelf over there just because I like looking at them. But yeah, very happy to have these. Those ones I struggle to use just because it's so special to me. Like, it was at a time when I was really, really low, and then suddenly they reached out to me and said, do you want the Glam Clam? And I was like, me? Just me? Yes, please, please. And honestly, it made me feel absolutely amazing. I wasn't invisible, and we've got very off track right now, but it's very special to have these, and I'm excited to use them. With those brushes, I'm going to be using them in testing videos. I've got so many eyeshadow palettes that I've collected over the years. They're down here. They're everything. I love makeup. It's so much fun. But we'll be using those brushes to test eyeshadow palettes out on this channel. So if you like that kind of thing, then please subscribe. Speaking of eyeshadow palettes, the next thing in my little Beauty Bay haul is the one that was a present from my friend. She gave me the Beauty Bay 42 colour palette, and it's the Bright palette. This is just the box. The actual palette looks like this, and it's absolutely crazy. It weighs a ton as well. It's so pretty, so I'll show you up close. It's the Bright palette. This you've probably seen on the internet somewhere because it's stunning, and then on the back it's just got a little passage about the palette, and then inside is where the magic happens. Are you ready for this? Whoa. First of all, it does have a full palette size mirror, which is very useful. And then you've got this absolutely gorgeous palette. I mean, what more could you need? Honestly, everything's in here. It's so pretty. It's so perfect. So I will be doing a few looks with this on my channel because there's just everything. I'm obsessed with the pinks. I mean, the blues and the purples. Ugh. And honestly, these two rows here, I do envisage myself using them because they're just so pretty. They're not normally colours that I'd go for, but oh my goodness. And there's a really good ratio of mattes to shimmers in this, so it's very exciting. If you have any ideas of what kind of looks you'd like to see with this, then let me know in the comments section. I will be doing one very soon. And this one means a lot to me because my friend did give it to me as a present, so I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. The next product, we're going to go in with a Jeffree Star item. So this is the Liquid Velour lipstick in the shade Mannequin, and the box just looks like this. I have actually done a mini Jeffree Star collection video. That one will either be on my channel or coming soon, so keep an eye out for that one if you like Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This one I've had before, but it ran out. This is one of their most popular nudes, and it's so beautiful. That's what the colour looks like there. I love the packaging in this. It just feels really high quality. When it's in your bag, you don't feel like it's going to break at all. It's just proper quality, this. I love it. I will just do a swatch for you. I did do a swatch in the other video as well with the Jeffree Star collection, but just in case you want to see what it looks like. It's so nice. And the formula, oh my goodness. I will do a mini testing video on this product as well, just in case you want to see what it looks like. But it's so light and just absolutely beautiful. I love it. This one's definitely one that you can wear every day and for work and things as well. It's really nice. The next product, I'm going to go in with a another Beauty Bay owned product. So this is a face palette. My friend Beth used this in a video and I was looking at it like, what? Is that a thing? Because that looks amazing. That's what the box looks like. It's just the normal Beauty Bay packaging. And what is this one called? It just says face palette. Oh, First Light face palette. Oh yeah, there were different shades to this, but I picked the pale one because I'm quite pale. And then this is what the palette looks like here. When I saw it in Beth's video, I was just like, how have I not seen this before? It's got everything you could need. So it's got bronzer, blusher, and a highlighter in there. Oh, honestly, this is so pretty. This one was £10, I think, but it's the kind of one that you can use daily. It's got a full pan size mirror in there, and then the pans just look like this. I will do a mini testing video with this one as well, and I'll probably use it in a few of my makeup videos, but this is so stunning. That highlighter down there, when I tilt it this way, you can see its iridescent glow. It's beautiful. And the pans are so stunning in this. I really like it. And I love the fact they've got a pink blusher and a peach blusher too. I go through phases of wanting to use both, but this is absolutely stunning. I'm just going to try that highlighter on my finger to see. Look at it. No way. That's amazing. I'm going to swatch the others. Let's just do it. That palette, honestly, you don't, I mean, if you buy this palette, you don't need anything else, but we all know that isn't going to happen. But this palette, when I saw it in the video, I was just like, this is everything. And the good thing about Beauty Bay is they do a wide variety of palettes too. So there's different for different skin tones, and there's loads of options with eyeshadows as well. I just think Beauty Bay's own brand products are incredible, and they're really affordable prices too. This one will definitely be going in my filming trolley, but also be used daily by me too. So very exciting. On to the last couple of things now. I have got a huge Jeffree Star palette, so I'm going to do that last. But next we've got a Spectrum Collections product. This one I've wanted for so long. It's a makeup brush cleaning kit. This one is by Spectrum Collections, and I think the bundle was called a brush cleaning laundrette or something like that, and it's just so lovely. Here, first of all, we've got the Spectrum Luxury Vegan Brush Soap, and it's in the flavour pink grapefruit and bergamot. There was a vanilla one, but that one was sold out, so I couldn't get that. And it's in this lovely like little shoe polish tin. I love it. I'm gonna sniff it. Oh, that's incredible. Wow. Inside the tin, you've got a brush on this side. In the lid, it's got a little makeup brush cleaning tool, and then you've got the soap on this side. I will be doing a specific video on cleaning my makeup brushes, so that will be out very soon. The next part to the Spectrum brush cleaning laundrette little bundle was this bag. This does remind me of the little laundrette bags you get to put in the washing machine, so I thought that was really cute. And you use it to store this adorable brush cleaning towel. You can see it's got little slots on it. It's got little handles on it so you can hang it on the back of your door, and it just can hold your brushes. It's incredible. And obviously you can use it to dry them as well, which is really nice. It's very soft. It's got the branding on the back there, and it's just absolutely beautiful. This is probably going to live on the back of my door in my bedroom just so I can dry them all and make them all lovely. But as I said, I will be doing a testing video with this little kit. If you want to see that, then please subscribe. I haven't had anything like this before, and I've always wanted it. When I've seen these before, they've always been sold out, so when I saw it there and on the website, I just thought, right, I've got to do it, because I've got so many makeup brushes and I don't clean them in the way that I should, and now I can, and it will keep them looking lovely. Actually, this kit will enable me to actually use the Glam Clam that Spectrum sent me. I'm going to show you now just quickly. A little sidetracked here, but this is the Spectrum Glam Clam that they sent to me. I will pop an image on the screen just when they approached me, because it was a dream come true. And then inside you've got these beautiful brushes, which I've never dared to use properly. Actually, I think I've used this one, but I just didn't know how to clean them properly, so that's just an honest reaction from me. Has anyone ever been given something by a business and you've just been like, that's too special to use? Am I the only one? I don't know. Probably. But now with this kit, I can actually enjoy these. I did get a little bit sidetracked there, but I think it was worth it. The next product, and the final one in my little Beauty Bay haul, is the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. I've wanted this for years, I'm not gonna lie. And I have a couple of Jeffree Star palettes. When I saw this one, I thought, you know what, that is the ultimate eyeshadow palette. When you get this, that is the top of the top. You don't need anything else. Obviously that's never gonna happen. It's kind of one of those ones that would go on display and you use it and you enjoy it, and just every time you look at it you think, yeah, that's beautiful. It's one of those, and I mean, it's bigger than my head. That's not even a joke. It actually is. The box just looks like this. It's got the logo on the front, and then inside it's got the beautiful palette. It's actually crushed velvet, which is insane. I will be throwing this box away though after this video because it's just it's just gonna take up too much room, and to be honest, it doesn't need the box. It's stunning on its own. This is what the palette looks like. It's a stunning royal purple colour. Got the gorgeous crown on the front as well, and then on the back it's got Jeffree Star's details, so his YouTube channel and everything is down here, which I thought was a really nice touch. And I hope you can see the beautifulness of this material. It looks like my bed. But my bed's silver, but this is so nice. It's so pretty. And then in it, it's got a full palette size mirror, and the shades look like this. I have swatched this black one over here because it's a magical shade. It's basically black, but when you rub it, it's got pink or purpley shimmers in it, which is insane. And the colour story on this palette is just beautiful. It's so me, and it's genuinely, I think it's the favourite palette that I've got, other than my retro I Heart Revolution ones from when it used to be I Heart Makeup. That is honestly, this is the palette. It's so cute. I will be doing testing videos with this palette and with the brushes that I've got obviously here. If you want to see things like that, then please subscribe. It would mean the world. That was everything in my Beauty Bay haul, and honestly, I work hard. These are my treats to myself. I don't really go anywhere. I don't go on holiday. I don't go out. I don't do much. Makeup is my kind of thing. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and let me know if there's anything you want me to test out first in the comments below, because I am going to get through everything, and I'm going to probably revisit a lot of things as well, which I'm so excited about. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!